Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Toyota Camry tire. First, prioritize safety by parking your vehicle on a level, stable surface, well away from any traffic. Remember to engage your parking brake and turn on your hazard lights to alert other drivers. Before you begin, gather all necessary tools: your spare tire, the jack, a lug wrench, and your owner's manual for specific jacking points. For added stability, place wheel chocks or sturdy blocks behind the wheel, diagonally opposite the flat one. Now that you're prepared, let's get to work. Using your lug wrench, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the flat tire by turning them counterclockwise about 1/2 to 1 full turn. Don't remove them yet. Next, locate the correct jacking point on your Camry's frame, usually indicated in your owner's manual, and position the jack. Carefully raise the vehicle until the flat tire is about 6 inches off the ground. Always ensure the car is stable on the jack before proceeding to the next step. With the vehicle safely elevated, you can now fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Carefully take off the flat tire and set it aside. Now, lift your spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs on your vehicle. Push it firmly onto the studs. Once the spare is in place, hand tighten the lug nuts back onto the studs. Just snug them up for now. We'll do the final tightening later. For the final steps, lower your vehicle until the spare tire just touches the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten the lug nuts in a star pattern. This ensures even pressure. Once they are all tight, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Don't forget to store your flat tire, the jack, and the lug wrench securely in your trunk. Remember, a spare tire is for temporary use, so visit a service center soon to repair or replace your original tire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.